What is up and good morning everyone, welcome back to the Resurrected Diesel channel. Getting too amped, alright? So today we are, as you can probably tell by the title, we are unboxing a set of gridiron bumpers. I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't even know these guys existed, and how I didn't know that is insane because they are sick. So we're gonna open them up. It is extremely windy outside, so the chances of you hearing anything but wind noise is going to be crazy. So I'm just going to time lapse over and music and the unboxing, but we'll talk about them in a little bit. We're going to load them up and bring them down to the paint guy to get them painted, and we'll go over that. But I just wanted to unbox these and check out how awesome they are, and I think I might be needing a set here soon. So just wanted to, you know, give a shout out to GRIDIRON for helping out with the build on this truck, the Mile High Duramax, if you don't know. Yeah, enough talking. Let's get them open. So I'll try to talk when there's no wind, but make sure there is a bit in here that you need to open these, so make sure you don't lose that. We need to get this open though and see what's inside, but the wind is coming. So granted, there's a little bit of surface rust on here. That's because it rained a little bit and these things are huge. But I can tell you right now, I already like the shape of them. This is the rear bumper, which is kind of upside down here. So we got to unbolt it to get it out. Look at, they even got lights or something already wired in here. What do we got going on here? Oh yeah, look at, there's lights right there. Damn, these things already come with lights too. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna unbolt these and then go over pretty much everything. You can see this is bolted on, so that can be different colored and everything. They're looking sick already. Obviously, like I said, the rust is our fault, so we will get it all sanded clean and then painted, and powder coated. So I'll work on getting them out. They look heavy as hell, and I have no help today, so we'll give it our best. Let me tell you what, these things are no joke, and they weigh it. They weigh like they're no joke. I almost died getting them out of here, but you see, obviously, don't mind the rust. That's not how they come. That's my fault. They got left outside, and it rained in California for once, so we got a little surface rust. But we'll clean it up. They're getting painted. These bumpers are sick, by the way. I know I already said it, but we got overlays pretty much everywhere. So these are all going, all the overlays are going to powder, and then the bumpers are getting painted and matched to the truck. Got these massive D-rings here. Just no joke. Got more overlays on the front and everything. I gotta take all the saran wrap off from the packaging stuff, but I like these. I think we need a set for maybe the LML, maybe an L5P if we ever get one. I don't know, but I like them. And I believe there's also lights in there, a light bar and all that stuff that they already came with. So we're gonna get them stripped down to just the bumper themselves, the part that's getting painted. We'll take all the base plates off and everything, and then we're gonna bring them over to paint. But these bumpers are by GRIDIRON. They're a Canadian-based company, and they will ship to the US if you're interested. Maybe we'll see if we can set up a deal with them if you guys want to order some. Reach out to them, see what we can do. But yeah, I definitely approve of these bumpers. So pretty short video. We're working on the Ford right now, so I look like crazy. I just try to unload these things, and like I said, they're not light by any means. But we're gonna get them loaded up in the LML, take them over to the paint and body. I got the tailgate also for the Mile High truck. We're working on this Ford right here, doing the Super Duty axle conversion. We're waiting on the brakes and everything. Got the sway bar, all the steering stuff, so it's coming together. This was a kit in and of itself, but we're getting there. We just gotta do the brakes, extended brake lines, put the drive shaft in, and get this all mixed up, and then do the trans on it. This thing just got a full top end motor redo. We got a big turbo, new H-pop injectors, regulated fuel return system, kind of a bunch of stuff. So we've been slammed, and we're trying to wrap up all this stuff before we move, which is in like all of a month and a half. We have to get this truck done, the Mile High truck. We have this LML or LMM, which is getting full top end, studs, injectors, compound kit, all that stuff. We have my buddy Stevens. He bought the olds over there, so we have to finish that thing. He also has an F100 behind the containers that needs a LS swap, and we got to put the motor in the white truck. It's not going to run, but we're just going to put it in there for transportation, take that to Florida. God, I don't even know what to do anymore. My baby is stressing me out. So we also have to rebuild the whole front end on this truck. We don't have to. Sorry, the lighting's probably terrible here. We don't have to rebuild it, but I want to do wheel bearings, ball joints, uppers, tie rods, kind of all brakes, all that stuff before the 2 maiden voyages we have to make across. One, we're going to Colorado and then down to Florida to make 1 trip. And then we're coming back to California, finish up a few jobs, and then we are going to be heading out to Florida the 2nd time, and that should be the final trip with all the tools, everything that we need for the shop. So there is not enough time in the day to get all this stuff done, but we're doing it. And school is really taking a burden on me for everything, but we got like 2 weeks left, maybe 3 weeks left, and we'll be done with that. So hopefully it's really crunch time after that. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video showing the gridiron bumpers. Like I said, we gotta get them over to paint, show the whole truck off, get the whole truck painted, come back, powder coat it. There'll be a video on it, but it's gonna be one long video of like, kind of like getting it wrapped up and then going to powder coat, getting all that stuff done, and then delivering it to Colorado. So it's been a lot, but that's gonna do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit a thumbs up, helps me out. Doesn't make me any more money or anything, but it just helps the channel grow, which we're still on the up and up, and one day we will blow up, I promise you. So be ready for this move, be ready for everything. It's gonna be a wild ride, but we're taking you guys along with it. Like I said, we're gonna be filming more, posting more, walking through the whole process, and yeah, I'm out. Catch you guys later.